Did you know that 80% of finance teams and leaders find it difficult to expand their responsibilities beyond the operational parts? Microsoft is releasing a solution to help finance teams regain time and stay alert when making decisions that could impact the organization's performance. The organization's core function, the finance department, handles a wide range of crucial but challenging responsibilities, from risk management and compliance to quote-to-cash procedures like credit and collections. In addition to these labor-intensive, required tasks, financial teams are also increasingly expected to provide real-time insights into business performance and suggestions for future growth efforts. Teams are prepared and able to take on a more significant role in directing business growth strategy, on the one hand. They cannot, however, abandon their obligation to uphold a vital set of duties. Microsoft Copilot for Finance is a brand new Copilot experience for Microsoft 365 that enables financial professionals to access AI-assisted competencies directly from the productivity apps they use daily. Copilot for Finance, which is currently in public preview, integrates with the company's financial systems, such as Dynamics 365 and SAP, to offer role-specific workflow automation, suggested actions, and suggestions in Excel, Outlook, Teams, and other Microsoft 365 applications. This helps users save time and concentrate on what matters, leading the business to success, using innovation to boost financial responsibility. When it comes to process innovation and increasing organizational efficiency, finance teams are indispensable. Some operational jobs are more routine, repetitive, and labor-intensive than others, as teams strive to adapt and enhance how time is spent to support more strategic work. 62% of financial professionals are mired in the tedious cycle of data entry and review, rather than dedicating much of their day to analysis or cross-team cooperation. The majority of finance directors tell us that they lack the automation tools and technology necessary to transform these processes and save time, even while some of these tasks, such as tax reporting and compliance, are necessary and cannot be automated. Because business is moving at an ever-increasing speed, investing in technology that will spur innovation and improve profitability is necessary to become a disruptor. 68% of CFOs predict that generative AI, Gen AI, will increase revenue in the next 3 to 5 years. Teams may accelerate their impact as financial stewards and strategists by reinvesting the time saved by using next-generation AI to automate time-consuming and expensive operational processes and deliver insights. Microsoft Copilot for Finance. Do more in less time. Copilot for Finance streamlines and automates financial procedures by offering AI-powered support while using Microsoft 365 applications. Copilot for Finance helps speed up financial reporting by easily identifying deviations, simplifying collections by automating communication and payment plans, and streamlining audits by retrieving and reconciling data with a single prompt. Significant time and cost reductions are possible, which would change not just how financial professionals operate, but also how they make an influence on the company. There are various ways in which users can engage with Copilot for Finance. In addition to offering suggestions for actions to take while working, it also lets users ask inquiries by inputting a prompt in natural language. A user can ask Copilot to assist me in understanding forecast to actual variance data, for instance. In a matter of seconds, Copilot for Finance will produce insights and gather information straight from the ERP and financial systems, making recommendations for what to do, and giving you a head start by producing contextualized language and attaching pertinent files. Before utilizing Copilot to take any action, users may simply verify transparency by checking the source data, just like in other Copilot experiences. Dynamics 365, SAP, and dozens of other financial systems can be connected to Copilot for Finance via Microsoft Copilot Studio. Copilot for Finance gives users the flexibility to update actions back to current sources and extract insights from them, allowing them to stay productive and finish jobs more quickly. Designed with finance professionals in mind, to cut down on time spent on repetitive chores Copilot for Finance offers a simple approach to asking questions about data, uncovering insights, and automating processes. Copilot for Finance is well-versed in the crucial and frequently time-consuming tasks and procedures across a finance professional's workday. Even if the current finance team has a long list of responsibilities, let's look at 3 situations that Copilot for Finance can help with during the public preview. Generative AI is a tool that finance organizations should be using to help combine organized and unstructured data sets. Copilot for Finance is a solution that takes on this problem head-on. By offering AI-driven solutions for typical business issues, Microsoft keeps expanding the frontiers of business applications. Copilot for Finance is an additional potent illustration of this endeavor. Finance professionals of all sizes may be able to expedite effect and potentially even lower financial operation costs with the use of Copilot for Finance. Another crucial duty is the collection procedure, which has an impact on the cash flow, profitability, and customer relations of the business. The majority of a collection coordinator's time is spent looking over open accounts and making quick reconciliations. This frequently entails making calls, sending emails, and settling on a payment schedule. Collection coordinators can devote more of their time to valuable client contacts by delegating the busy labor using Copilot for Finance. Copilot for Finance offers end-to-end support for the collections process by recommending high-priority accounts, compiling conversation summaries for ERP, and creating personalized payment schedules for clients. Financial analysts can lower their risk of reporting errors and missing unknown variations by using Copilot for Finance. Users can instruct Copilot to identify outliers and flag deviations for further examination, saving them the laborious task of manually scanning big financial data sets for odd patterns. With reusable natural language commands, Copilot for Finance simplifies variance identification in an organizational setting. Copilot can be instructed by a financial analyst to find variance explanations, and Copilot will compile evidence on its own. To facilitate the tracking of action items and follow-ups, Copilot will offer auto-summaries and propose contacts with financial context. To report to important stakeholders, Copilot for Finance may provide well-crafted financial comments, PowerPoint presentations, and emails. Our experience using Microsoft Finance. Thousands of people work for Microsoft in its finance division, managing and directing numerous systems and processes while also looking for ways to grow the business and formulate its strategy. Who better to drive the newest financial innovation? We collaborated closely throughout the first phase, with a treasury team that was responsible for accounts receivable and a financial planning and analysis team that had to reconcile data as part of their workflow before doing additional analysis. These days, financial analysts reconcile data for 1 to 2 hours every week on average. That comes down to 10 minutes using Copilot for Finance. For a company as sophisticated as Microsoft, features like data reconciliation will save a ton of time. We can save an average of 20 minutes per account by using the accounts receivable reconciliation capabilities, which assist us in eliminating the time it takes to compare data across sources. This corresponds to an average cost savings of 22% in average handling time based on pilot usage. Microsoft 365, Copilot, workplace navigation made easy. Microsoft 365. Copilot is an AI chatbot assistant that integrates with your emails, papers, meetings, and the recently launched business chat service. It is powered by OpenAI's GPT-4. It combines the capabilities of large language models, LLMs, with Microsoft Graph and Microsoft 365 apps to access your data. Copilot, a feature of Microsoft 365 products, will enable tasks to be completed with straightforward, everyday language. All you need to do is tell Copilot what you want, and it will do the rest. The 3 technologies combined in Microsoft 365: Copilot, the Office suite of programs, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, etc. Microsoft Graph, which contains all of the context and content for your company. The GPT-4 large language model, LLM, interprets, parses, and produces text that is legible by humans. Utilization of Microsoft 365. Copilot in Office products. Using Microsoft 365 Copilot, you can interact with the chatbot in any of the well-known Microsoft 365 apps. Upon receiving an instruction, Copilot will automatically produce a response based on your natural language instruction. By fusing important business data with artificial intelligence technology driven by OpenAI's GPT-4, Microsoft 365 Copilot will completely transform the way people work. This will allow Microsoft 365 products, such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Teams, and Power Platform, to run more efficiently. It promises to offer unparalleled access to the vast amount of information, insights, and data that is currently at hand, so boosting the usage of Microsoft 365's toolkit even more. The CEO of Microsoft states, "We're giving people more agency and making technology more accessible through the most universal interface, which is natural language, with our new Copilot for work." What possible effects might Copilot for Finance's advancements have on the financial sector and the function of human financial advisors? How can we make sure that Copilot for Finance is utilized sensibly and morally, especially when dealing with private financial information? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please click the like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.